Hey, welcome to Catherine to Paint. Today we are doing another bottom pour, and this time I'm not going to use any black except what's already on this, if there's some on that. It might come off a little bit, but I just did another one and I wanted it to be just whites, mostly whites and blues, but I added some black for contrast and the black took over. So I am still going to be using up the rest of these paints. It's Liquitex Basics, turquoise, and bright blue. This is the Arteza Pearl White because I accidentally purchased the wrong thing. Amazon sent me the wrong thing, something. And then I have these Arteza pouring acrylic colors. I've got ultramarine blue, phthalo green, forest green, and phthalo blue. So let's just get it done. This is an 8x10 canvas. I'm going to start with turquoise. Just a little in the bottom. We're going to be using a lot of this white. I'm not going to forget this time. I used to looking at the colors and I forget I wanted it to be a lot white. Gonna finish off this turquoise. If y'all are hearing noises, well, that was the ice maker. But also, there is rain today. I hope it's not terrible, noisy. Whoops. Okay. That is definitely enough. So let's just get started pouring. All right, I think I am going to pick this up and turn it one time only this time. So rotating. There we go. I'm going to add a little bit more white to this. This pearl white is just getting absorbed into the colors. It's interesting. Okay, I'm videoing. All right, I'm gonna go ahead and take this off, but I'm going to let it sit here for a minute before I start tilting it. Okay, give it just a few minutes and I will be right back. Okay. This is what we've got so far. I'm gonna start stretching it out. Just gonna go for it. There we go. Oh my gosh, I love these colors. This is what I had in mind. All right, I'm going to go off this side now. Okay. Take it back to the middle. And check your sides while you're doing it. All right. Oh, I dripped. Meh. And then I quacked. I dripped and I quacked. All right, I'm gonna help this off of here. Okay. All right, looks like all the sides are covered really good. I am going to take it back this way a bit. Trying to help that dot not be so prominent, but I think I'm just making it more prominent. Yeah. Okay. Well, there it is, guys. That is so pretty. I love the colors. It's still developing stuff. So I will give it a couple minutes and then bring you in for a close-up. All right, let's go in for some close-ups. Here is the lower right. The upper right, upper left, and lower left. Here's that middle section. The pearl gray, the pearl white really makes some wispy effects. Really like it. Cool. All right, guys, thanks for watching. Please like and subscribe. Be inspired.